If you're curious about AI Stem Splitter AI and whether it's worth your time, this video breaks down 7 crucial things you need to know, especially if you're into productivity, music, or content creation. You can try this software completely free from the first link below, and I highly recommend you do, because what it does is seriously next level. And stick around, because one feature they barely even mention on their site might actually be the game changer. So what is AI Stem Splitter AI? In simple terms, it takes any song or audio file and uses machine learning to separate it into individual stems, vocals, drums, bass, and instruments at lightning speed. Whether you're a DJ, video editor, or a content creator who just needs a clean vocal track for a remix or mashup, this tool gives you studio quality separation without needing any technical skills or expensive plugins. One of the most impressive things about AI Stem Splitter AI is the speed. In tests, it was up to 10x faster than older stem separation tools, and the processing happens in the cloud, so you don't need a powerful computer to use it. That's a huge win for anyone working off a laptop or on the go. Now here's something a lot of people miss. It doesn't just work with MP3s or WAV files. You can upload full YouTube links, and it'll pull and split the audio for you. That opens up a whole new world for remix artists and social media editors who want to pull trending sounds and vocals directly from content online. The quality is surprisingly good. Unlike older AI tools that give you robotic or artifact-filled stems, Stem Splitter uses deep neural networks that preserve nuance, meaning you can use the stems in professional settings. I tested it against iZotope's RX and Splitter, and it held its own, especially on isolating vocals with minimal bleed. The interface is dead simple, no downloads, no installations, just drag and drop. Even if you're not tech savvy, you'll be using this within 60 seconds. Plus, it supports batch uploads, so if you're working on multiple tracks, you're not stuck doing them one at a time. They've also got automatic stem labeling, which sounds small, but it saves a ton of time. Each file you get is clearly named, organized, and export ready. And for producers, there's even MIDI data extraction in the roadmap, which, if they pull off, could be huge. Now here's the part most people miss. Stem Splitter lets you download stems as either isolated files or full multi-track sessions. If you're using software like Ableton, FL Studio, or Logic Pro, this is a big deal. It means less time editing, more time creating. If you're serious about music editing, content repurposing, or want a leg up in digital marketing where audio quality matters, AI Stem Splitter AI is one of the best just released AI software tools right now. Remember, you can try it completely free from the first link in the description. And after testing thousands of AI tools over the years, I've also listed my most recommended AI software picks below. Each one can be tried for free. Give AI Stem Splitter a shot and see how it fits into your workflow. You might just wonder how you ever worked without it.